going on, boys? All right, we're doing it. We're throwing on my TE37s. These look pretty nice, actually. Picked this up a couple months ago. Super speeds, 235/40 by 18, so a pretty decent spec. Looking pretty nice, eh? Chuck these right here. Oh, yeah. We're gonna throw them on. Let's see. They're nice, eh? They're gonna fit really nice on here. Okay, these are our custom blocks that we gotta use because the cars are way too low. Checkered floor mats.
Oh, no way, eh?
Got some little spacers just because the front is rubbing a little bit. We got some lug nuts. These are a little silver. Not bad, not bad. Chuck under like this. We're gonna go forward a little bit and then we're gonna use that one with the 2-inch piece of wood. Get some room to jack it up. Let's loosen these bolts and get this wheel off. I did a little test fit a little bit ago and these tires are too wide. It's rubbing on the control arm, so we got these little spacers.
Oh wow, she sits on there real nice, eh? Doesn't look that bad too, actually. Kind of dig them. Ready to see if it doesn't rub? Oh, we're good. Yep, we're good. A little bit more space. Let's see when it drops.
I like it though with the spacer because then this is all flush. Because before my wheel was so in that it looked like shit, but now we got the fender and the bumper flared out.
That's good. Little sketch, eh? Holy, ripping her up.
How am I gonna ever put this on a hoist?
Good, bro.
I'm never gonna be able to put this on a hoist.
Neither of us are putting our fucking cars on a hoist.
Yo, I actually like these tires.
No, the tread isn't that bad.
No, they don't look like they're not.
No, like they look fine.
Joy Road?
Wait, $400 for a set.
That's sweet though.
And I'm gonna burn the shit out of them too, so we're trying.
Oh, like. That's real too, eh?
Oh, way wider.
Yeah, I think they'll be clean then.
Bro, it's perfect spec.
Yeah, it is a good spec.
Let's get like 10.5 wide.
What?
I run 10.5 on my car, bro, with a fat 3-piece, bro. Nice barrel, some nice work wheels.
Man, this set's good. Holy shit, bro.
Okay, yeah, thank God you didn't put the spacer on.
Yeah, yo, this is like mine.
How are we looking?
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, bro, this thing looks like an RC car. Holy shit. Do the other side really quick, and then we're pretty much done. We'll throw in the floor mats too, because those things are baller.
Actually looks clean.
It looks good, huh?
Yo, these are actually meant for your car, right?
Yeah, I know. These were expensive.
How much?
These were like 150, 200 bucks.
Oh, guys spending money, eh?
Oh, fuck.